high-efficiency whole processing technology of CNC system. In 3C product processing of CNC machine, customers have high requirements on production cycle time and processing efficiency. Most parts are of whole processing, and improving whole processing efficiency can effectively improve the overall processing efficiency of products. HNC high-efficiency whole processing includes non-cutting motion superimposition and tapping synchronization compensation technologies. During hole drilling and tapping, non-cutting motion superimposition can shorten the positioning path and significantly improves the hole processing efficiency. Tapping synchronization compensation technology automatically compensates for spindle and Z-axis synchronization error, effectively reducing tapping synchronization error and improving tap life and tapping quality. High-efficiency hole processing is enabled by parameters and G commands. For typical whole part processing, the drilling efficiency can be increased by 5% to 10%, and the tapping synchronization error can be reduced by 50%, effectively improving production capacity.